Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system and identifying the adapter. This saves time. Open Control Panel, right arrow system to verify Windows 7 Edition and 32-bit versus 64-bit because drivers differ. Next, open Device Manager and find the unknown network device. Check Properties right arrow details for hardware ID, VENXXXX, DEVXXXX. Once done, record the exact model and ID. This lets you pick the correct driver package and avoid installing incompatible drivers that can break networking. Now obtain the correct driver file safely. Use the network adapter or PC manufacturer page first because OEM drivers include needed tweaks. Make sure the download matches Windows 7 and the bitness and service pack. If the target PC lacks internet, use another computer to download to a USB stick. Choose the latest WHQL sign package when available. Once downloaded, check the file name and digital signature to confirm authenticity. This prevents malware and ensures compatibility during installation. Finish by installing and verifying the driver. Run the vendor setup. EXE if present, or in Device Manager choose the adapter, update driver, and point to the extracted folder. Once done, reboot to load the driver and open Network and Sharing Center to confirm connectivity. If it fails, make sure to try reinstall, use safe mode to remove old drivers, or roll back to a previously saved version. One key troubleshooting tip: test a different driver version or a generic vendor driver if the official one still fails.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.